In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your Substack publication name. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your publication name reflects your brand, your voice, or your latest direction. Start by opening Substack. Use your preferred browser and head straight to the Substack site so you're on your home screen or dashboard. Everything we need is right inside your account, and the process is quick once you know where to look. Next, click your profile. You'll find your profile picture or avatar near the top corner of the page. Clicking it opens a small menu that leads to your personal and publication settings. This is the hub for your identity on Substack, things like your display elements and how your publication appears to readers. From there, click Edit Profile. This brings up the Profile Editing view, where you can modify key details. Think of this as your control panel for the public-facing information people see when they read your posts, visit your publication page, or receive your emails. Now, change your name. In the name field, type the new publication name you want to use. Keep it clear, memorable, and aligned with your topic or tone. Short, descriptive names are easier for readers to recognize, and consistent capitalization helps it look polished across your site and newsletters. Double-check your spelling before moving on. This name is what readers will see in inboxes and on your publication homepage. A quick tip. Changing your publication name affects how it's displayed, but it doesn't change your web address. If your goal is a new URL, that's managed separately in other settings. For today, we're focusing just on the name itself. When you're happy with the update, click Done if you are finished. Clicking Done saves your changes and applies them across your publication. Give it a moment to propagate. You should soon see the new name reflected on your main page and in future emails you send. If something doesn't look quite right, you can return to Edit Profile and make quick adjustments the same way. That's all there is to it. Opening Substack, clicking your profile, choosing Edit Profile, changing the name, and confirming with Done is the whole process. Keep your audience in mind when choosing the new name, and aim for clarity and consistency so your publication is easy to recognize everywhere it appears. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your refreshed Substack identity.